This is a quick tutorial of how to put the Badger Recordall meter together for meter challenge. This is a Model 25. The meter body, the bottom, and the register will be left on the table. You will have a wrench and a screwdriver. Isaac is going to put this together now. All the other parts will be inside the bucket. And when the MC says 1, 2, 3, go, you will as quickly as possible put the meter together, and each part will be placed intricately together. You have the notating disc within the chamber of the Badger Recordall Model 25 meter. It does have the magnetic wheel that will have to properly go in the base, but again, the base, the meter body, the bottom, and the register will be pre-assembled. It will not be separated, and you will properly put the chamber parts together, the screen, the gasket, the seal before the bottom plate. The bolts will go in, and you will need to tighten the bolts to where this meter does not leak. It will be tested on a Ford meter test bench by the judges. Your time will be timed by 3 judges. This will be tightened, and then you put the register on, put your meter down, and when you raise your hands, that will finish the time.